Guys, what are you doing? We need to start our calc video.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe. Anybody have any ideas?
We could do the Hunger Games.
No.
Yeah, I don't know. What about like prank wars? Like
calc pranks?
someone does a prank, we do a prank.
No.
No, that'd probably be really boring.
So boring. Not funny.
No.
Okay, I have an idea. Let's just flip through the channels, gather inspiration from the TV shows.
That's a good idea.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, this is my favorite childhood movie.
Cinderella!
Oh my goodness.
Let's watch it.
This is the story of Integrella, stuck at home doing calculus homework. Sound familiar? Let's watch.
Oh my gosh, my stepsisters left me all this calculus homework and they're at the ball and I'm here doing calculus homework. And this one question is just so hard. This harmonic series, does it converge or diverge? I just don't know.
Whoa! Anyone who knows anything about calculus BC knows that the harmonic series diverges.
Oh my gosh, who are you?
I'm your fairy godmother.
Oh my gosh, I just have all this calc homework that I have to do for my stepsisters. That's the worst. I can't go to the ball, and it's just, now that I figured out this problem though, maybe I can go.
But here, let's look at the...
To find out if the harmonic series converges or diverges, we have to use the integral test. This tells us that the limit as n approaches infinity of the integral from 1 to infinity of the harmonic series converges, then the sum of the harmonic series will converge as well. Let's start by taking the integral. Okay. If you integrate 1 over n, you're left with the natural log of n, and it'll be evaluated from 1 to infinity. If you take the limit and substitute in the values you know, you find that the limit equals infinity. So the harmonic series diverges.
Now I finished all my calculus homework, and I can go to the ball and meet Prince Charming. Oh, yay! And be Mrs. Prince Charming Integrella. But what are you gonna wear, Integrella? I don't know. What am I gonna wear? Oh, I have just the thing in mind. Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
And the fairy godmother gave Integrella a beautiful dress. Now all she needed were some...
pumpkin.
Yeah, so you can turn it into a carriage.
Why don't we try to use this sheet of paper?
And revolve it around the axis of your wand.
Oh yeah! Whoa.
To find the pumpkin for Integrella, let's revolve y equals sine x around the x-axis from 0 to pi. To do this, we'll have to use the disk method. Multiply pi times the radius squared and take the integral from 0 to pi. We can use the power reducing formula here. Now take the integral and evaluate it from 0 to pi. You'll find that it equals pi squared over 2.
This show is boring. It's for girls.
Are you
Let's watch
kidding?
The X Factor.
The what? The DX Factor? That's
joking.
lame.
Alright.
Are you kidding me? We're back with to DX with velocity X.
Oh, stop! Differentiate and listen. Newton's back from the brand new method. Taylor grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a series daily and nightly. Will it converge? Yo, I don't know. Comparison test and it'll show. To the extreme, I plot points like a phantom. Light up a graph and place it in a mantle. Soul like a speaker that booms. Calc's killing the brain with revolving volume. Polar, polar, baby. Polar, polar, baby. Dun, 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 dun.
That was absolutely atrocious. I don't know what to say other than you might end up singing in some bar somewhere, and that is probably the best you can expect after this show. And you are lucky you were on the show. That's all I can say, really. Other than your outfits don't match, and other than that, really, all I can say is just start applying to bars. That's all I can say, really. Atrocious. Well, I really liked your shoes and all, but you were terrible.
Y'all just hate.
I wonder how fast they ran off the stage.
To find the position function for which velocity ice ran off stage when his acceleration equals 7, we must integrate the acceleration. In integrating the acceleration, we find that the velocity v of t equals 7t plus c. Now, if the velocity in time t equals 0 equals 32, then that means that v of t equals 7t plus 32. To find the position function, we must integrate the velocity, which gives us 7 over 2 t squared plus 32t plus c, which is s of t, his position. When his position at time t equals 0 is 5, substituting that into the equation, we find that his position function is 7 over 2 t squared plus 32t plus 5. Wow.
And welcome back to the GX Factor. Next up, we have Lady Coast Coast.
To find the area of a polar curve, don't forget to square and divide by 2. And then you'll get the answer of the polar curves, cause polar curves are so fun to do. Integrate that curve. Function doesn't diverge.
Well, the best thing I can say is that all of the other contestants are hamburgers, and you are the steak.
I'm Hollywood.
I think I'm in love.
Arrogant. Don't I look good?
How about we watch something that's actually funny, like The Classroom?
Oh, with Michael Scott.
Oh my god, I'm Dwight, my man. The administration wants us to do a team building exercise to bring us closer together. Yeah.
I don't need a team. Teams just drag you down. I'm in it to win it.
I absolutely hate team building. You can't rely on anyone else in a competition. I am a lone wolf, and I howl in the moonlight.
I'm fine with team building, as long as it's not with these people.
So you ready
Yes.
for this?
Oh yeah, you know I am. After this, the other team's gonna end up in the hospital.
Don't make me exponentiate your face.
Oh, it's getting real up in here. Oh man, can't wait.
I really didn't do anything to prepare. I just woke up every morning at 4:30 to go for a 20-mile run.
Winning doesn't really mean anything to me, because, I mean, I know I'm the manliest man there is.
Hey Shayaan, I love your purse, it's so cute!
Oh, thanks, girl.
And then during my lunch break I did 400 crunches. Yeah, to prepare, I really just victored a few derivatives and integrals and then, I mean, I only ate vegetables and legumes for the past couple weeks.
To win, yeah, not a big deal. I mean, I normally win everything, so no worries.
Other than that, really nothing. And it doesn't really mean anything for me to win. But I mean, it means everything. Nothing.
Try to be best, 'cause you're only
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here.
So we want to find the rate at which the height of the level of the juice is decreasing. So we know that the volume is decreasing at a rate of 0.5 centimeters cubed per second. And we want to find the rate at which the height is decreasing at the side equals 2 centimeters. So we know the volume is equal to the side squared times the height. Differentiate both sides and you get that dv dt equals 2sh ds dt plus the side squared times dh dt. Substitute in your values, solve for dh dt, and you get that dh dt is equal to negative 1/8 centimeters per second. So dh dt is equal to negative 0.125 centimeters per second. Juicy.
nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around.
What if we do like a mix of all these for a calc video?
Nah.
We need to be creative, original. We need to make people laugh.
That's never gonna happen.
Okay, we're done here.
Pepper.
I'm recording Pepper.
You're not gonna come up.
The dog said no. Shayaan started crying.
Oh, with Michael Scott.
Oh my god, I'm Dwight, my man.
Yeah.
Hate Dwight.
I hate you.
Into the sky. Think time would pass me by. Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you. Dramatic shot in the trees tonight.
So now I can go to the ball, but oh no! What, Jessica? My outfit. Integrella.
Wait.
My name is Integrella.
Okay.
Whoa! Anyone who knows anything about calculus BC knows that the harmonic series converges. Oh my gosh! You're right!
You play converges?
Diversion.
The harmonic series converges. Oh, the harmonic series converges. Oh, the harmonic.